Rusty Gates Media, which makes short form video content for realtors and entrepreneurs and business owners, is a marketing company at its heart. I am helping people with marketing. And one of the things that I now deeply believe as my company has grown and we have 2 employees, which is a big thing, is sales before marketing.
Yes.
Rusty as the realtor would not have agreed with this. Rusty is a proper CEO, business owner, and owner of multiple companies. Sales before marketing.
Lead with revenue.
Please. And it's so easy to be like, I want to make cool videos. And people in the dopamine hit of those likes and those comments.
Absolutely.
And saves. And they feel so good. It's so difficult to do that. And part of that is because, yes, marketing can lead to sales. And I truly believe that the better branded you are, the less you have to sell. But that is not an excuse not to do the lead gen activities that you're supposed to do.
All right. What do you think about property videos? Should the agent be in it? Should they, what should a property video be?
We talked a little bit before about what you actually sell, right? Okay, yes, you're selling lifestyle, you're selling status, all that. It's more important that you sell yourself and your services in terms of what you're promoting. You should be promoting yourself more than you should be promoting properties. If you make a beautiful video of this amazing $5 million listing, and it's going to be amazing, right? Because it's going to be easy to point at a camera at these beautiful fixtures, and you put that online, it gets a bunch of video, a bunch of traction. People are going to see it. They're going to send it to their realtor and say, "Hey, buy me this property."
Yeah.
So I'm not opposed to property videos, but can you do it in a way that showcases you? So my take on this when I was a realtor is that I made property tour videos, but I did it. One, it was me. I was in the video, and I interviewed the homeowner about the renovations that they had made.
Oh, that's cool.
So it was, and here's the thing. Again, I wasn't selling Rusty, I wasn't selling the house. I wasn't even really selling the renovations. What I wanted people to see in those videos is I wanted to see what it was like for me to interact with another human being. So what's Rusty like?
Yeah.
That's what I'm actually selling you, which you don't know it because you're like, oh, wow, look at those penny tiles. Those are really nice. Yeah. But in those videos, you'd see me make my client laugh. You would see me fumble over words.
So what you're conveying is the comfort level of your expertise that you bring to the table.
I wanted to, when we get to a property tour, I want it to feel like, oh, we've already done this with Rusty before.
Right.
And so doing that with another person, because very rarely am I going to be, as a realtor, would I have been in a property alone?
Correct.
And you don't tour like this. Now, here's this and here's that. And I'm not going to caress a countertop while walking through, telling about this is Right. There's a videographer out there. I think his name's Andre Restrepo. I forget the name of his company, but he does cinematic lifestyle videos for listings where they will bring in actors to do this, where it's, here's you picking your kid up from school because it's a block away. Right. Here's you on the walking trail. And I do think that that's amazing.
But I think when you look at something that's like a lifestyle video, it's more cinematic like that. It allows people to imagine themselves there.
Yeah.
Right? As opposed to, here's some crown molding.
Here's some crown molding. Oh, I want that crown molding.
Dude.